Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be unboxing my new air fryer. Yes, my new air fryer, guys. Yes, this one is Power XL and it is, I'm gonna tell you the brand. The brand is Power XL. Yes, that's what it's saying here, and it's 8. Where is it? 8 quarts. It's a family size. Yes. So I'm gonna get started. I have a couple months warranty. So guys, you know how it goes. Set it, crisp it, love it. So it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Perfectly cooks crispy family meals, snacks, and dessert in a snack with Vertex Rapid Air technology and 10 quick touch presets. Yeah, so I'm gonna be unboxing this today, but a good while now, but I just feel like I need to open it now. Yeah, and before I go, remember to like, share, and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I'm gonna open this box. As you can see guys, it does also fries. So this air fryer, it cooks without oil, so it's more healthier than have to deep fry in a lot of oil. Okay, so if you get one of this, it would be, a plus. Okay, all right, so you can do your chicken, your plantain. So the manual, we don't like to read manual, but this is the manual that comes with it. Yeah, so yes, I'll have to read it before doing anything else, but let's take this out of the box, guys. Alright, this is gonna help me take this out of the box. So maybe I do a step 1, step 2, and step 3, because I don't know if I'm gonna need help. Maybe. Let's get this. So guys, I get a black one because all my other appliances are black. Microwave, toaster oven. What else I bought that I unboxed? Yeah. So box can go. Now we have the air fryer. Hip hip hooray! It's no air. So before I do anything, maybe I'm gonna have a part 2 of the unboxing, because I have to read the manual and then do a example for you guys. So it's a handle for basket. It's inside. Use this handle to pull out the basket. Okay, and it's show you 1, 2, 3 the different steps. All right. So I'm not going to try to mash it up without reading the manual. I'm just gonna follow what the manual is saying. The manual is saying, okay guys? So it has scanned me up here. See, it has scanned me. So I guess when I scan it, I can see what it is saying otherwise. But first and foremost, before we do anything else, let's get to the manual. I guess this is the air fryer recipes. I have a recipe book, guys. It comes with a recipe book. So, let me tell you what it can do. This is good. I think this is good. Pro knead bread. Hopefully I can do some of these for you guys. Sausage frittata, roasted cauliflower, cheesy fries. Hold on, there's a page missing. Garlic parmesan cheese. See? Yes. So come read with me, guys. Cheesy fries, fried chicken, and yeah, spicy saucy wings, chicken parmesan. Yeah. So have a quite a lot of stuff you can do with it. Keto chicken tender, sweet chili Brussels sprouts, sausage and pepper stromboli. Yes, guys, we're gonna cook shrimp scampi. Yeah, breaded pork chop with roasted corn, spaghetti squash. Just tell me what you want me to do in this book. Roast beef dinner, ribeye steak with roasted mini peppers. This is a recipe book, you know, guys, and I'm going through it. Roast chicken. Yeah, I can roast a whole chicken in it. You have Southwest seasoned pork roast with sweet potato. Wow. Berry apple crisp. Chocolate lava cake. Raspberry crescents. What? I'm not familiar with that, but let's see. Apple hand pies. So yes, guys, these are some of the recipe in this book that I am gonna be exploring, and this is the name of it if you want to know. I will be exploring when going through my cooking in the air fryer. Okay, so let's get back to the air fryer. So to have different steps. Step 1, attach fry basket and it says unpack all parts from the box and remove any clear or blue protective film on the component. Check all packaging material thoroughly for accessory. Wash with warm soapy water before first use. Only select accessories or dishwasher safe. Before use, only select accessory or dishwasher safe. Full stop. So when you're reading, you have to read with understanding. Stop where the full stop is, pause where the comma is, so that you can understand what they're saying. Okay, so remove the paper label, pull the fry basket out of the appliance, slide the attach point on the handle downward until it clicks into place. So I'm gonna move this. Woo! Woo! Guys, step one, start from. Alright, so it's to remove it. Okay. So you see it, I remove it. Alright. And there inside, I believe the handle for it. Okay. And this is the air fryer basket. Yeah. This is where you're gonna put the stuff. Yeah. This is the handle. This is the handle, guys. Tell me how it do now. It says okay, so it's this way. So to pull it down until I hear click. Yeah. Follow the manual. Follow the manual. follow the manual, see it? And these supposed to get removed for it to wash. Okay, it's a big one. Yeah, see it, guys? All you need to do after that, let me see what next. Step 2, load basket. Place the fry tray in the basket. Arrange the food on top of the fry tray. We're not going to do any food today because we have to wipe out and stuff like that. Understand? We're only unboxing it. Step 3, return basket to appliance. Push the basket straight in until it clicks. Okay, and that's what I did before. And then it's a power appliance on. Set the timer temperature. So I'm gonna pour it for you guys to see what it looks like. So power point is right here. Power point is right here, guys. Right here. Well, sometimes I wonder if they want us to really get to these things. Because I tear them up so much. You can't even pull them up. Or we don't have the patience. Maybe we don't have the patience. Okay? Alright. And by the way, I bought this at TJ Maxx. Not TJ Maxx. Target. I bought this at Target, so if you're looking for one, you can go there. They had them on sale. Yes, so I get to buy one. Okay. So it's going to plug in. Ouch! That was scary. So now it's powered. It's powered on. Okay. This is another part of the manual. This is the easy step one. This is the cooking one. So never you do anything without you consult the manual. Okay, guys. So this is telling you all about the parts, everything, and what you can do in it. See, to tell it before first use what to do. Alright, so let's just get to the power part of it. So, okay. So guys, if you notice, when I first plug it in, it went into power mode. And then now I click the power mode again and all the goodies came up. See? So reheat, you have the fries button, you have the fish button, you have all the different buttons there, and you have a clock. So, and this is the minutes, right? So basically that's it for the unboxing until I am ready to cook. Okay guys, yes, this is the unboxing of my air fryer, Power XL air fryer. Okay, all right, so thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much for checking out this video. And as I said before, if you need they are at Target, you can go out and get yourself one. It's very useful, and you also get a cookbook with it, what to cook and what not to cook. All right, so let's get the box here. Okay, so that's it guys for unboxing my air fryer. Until my next video, bye.